Timo the Word Scout sits under a tree, thinking about a new idea. A small thought slowly begins to form in his mind as he starts thinking deeply. A new word appears for an idea or understanding. Notion. A common notion is an understanding or belief about something. Timo imagines building a treehouse, but it's just a simple idea for now. The idea is still growing as new thoughts and creativity come together. Timo realizes that great ideas start small and grow through creativity. A simple idea or understanding like this is a notion. Timo remembers that a small idea or belief is called a notion. He feels confident and eager to explore new ideas, discover exciting possibilities, and learn more.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit VocabCartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.